Welcome everybody. It's been like a long time since I made a video. I've been working in some orders that I had. I had 3 new items that I'm going to be adding to my Etsy and my website, so I decided I'm gonna share with you guys. We are going to place our shirt. I'm gonna pull it a little bit more because I want these edges to be out of my area. That's good. We are going to preheat. Should be good. And here's my first design. So I want it somewhere right there. So that's good right there. And right here, let me see. So I want more to this side. Okay, so that's going to be my first piece. And we are just going to hit apply like for 2 seconds. We're gonna peel it off, and you gotta be careful because sometimes it doesn't get stuck. Okay, so that is the first part. This is going to be the second part, and I'm going to get in front of the camera. Okay, so that is the second part. We're going to tack for 2 seconds as well. So this is what we have so far. So we are going to do the next step, and the next step is to add our heart. So then I'm just gonna add some random hearts like everywhere. Like it doesn't really have to be like matching or not. We're just going to add some hearts. Okay, so I like it like that. I'm just gonna do it for 2 seconds again just because I don't want to leave marks with the plastic on the other parts of my design. So 3 seconds. And we can start removing all this. Remember, always making sure that it's actually attached to the shirt. Sometimes it doesn't attach. So right here, we're just gonna apply it for 12 more seconds, and that should be done. The one thing right here is I print the eyes for the heart, just because I wasn't sure what color of shirt I was gonna use. We don't have to add them because our shirt is white. I'm just going to add them just because I already have them, but you really don't have to. And in this one, since this glitter flake is not gonna make any marks, so we're just gonna hit apply for the entire time. So 12 seconds of it. Now I'm not done. I'm going to add some words to this side. I'm going to add something else to the back. It's the beauty of custom designing, that you can add whatever you want to your designs. So I'm gonna add this right here. So for this, I'm just gonna add a pillow just because, but I already have this. I'm gonna add the pillow just because of the collar in the front. And we're just gonna apply for 12 seconds. And you know what? I'm gonna throw these hearts in there. Why not? I have them extra, so there you are. And there is my finished design. I love it. It's really unique and pretty. So if you guys like it, you can go ahead to my Etsy or my website and buy this design.